lot of you are willing to learn Taishan dance but don't know where to start, so I'm here to help you starting. So the first move you want to learn in Taishan dance is what we call the Ta'iri Tamo, which is the swing side to side movement. Very easy to do it. You put your feet together, you bend your knees, and then you're gonna swing from side to side with your hips and use your knees to help. So we just swing side to side, and that's that easy. So as you can see, you alternate your knees every time with your hips swinging. You try to control your upper body, is very important. We don't want that. We only want to move our hips and legs. So I hope this little video will